In today's world, safeguarding a landmark not only preserves memory, but imposes real costs on stone, steel, and society. Maintenance climbs with climate resilience, requiring advanced materials, sensors, and continuous monitoring to prevent decay. Urban pressures demand relocation of utilities, traffic rerouting, and architectural reinforcements that can alter a site's character. Yet funding is uneven, with public budgets competing against housing, transit, and disaster prevention, forcing creative partnerships and donor-driven programs. The true price is measured in delayed discoveries, increased accessibility, and the chance that future generations inherit a living monument rather than a museum piece.